Hello everyone, just want to do a quick video. I'm getting ready to put the finish on this walnut coffee table. This is actually a piece that I actually milled myself and dried it. And I'm using this General Finishes hard wax oil. It's very similar to Rubio Monocoat, pretty much identical the way it goes on. It's about the same price. It's probably a little bit cheaper for the General Finishes, and it's a little more readily available, at least for me, at Woodcraft and Klingspor Woodworking. And this is made in the USA, if that makes a difference to you. But we'll do a quick time lapse and just show you how this finish goes on and how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks after the first coat of the General Finishes hard wax oil. And after I wait 24 hours, I'll do a second coat, and then I'll finish this off with a nano coat, and it'll be finished. Appreciate you guys watching.